Swoop correctly. Hey guys, welcome to my bathroom. Well, if you haven't already, go ahead and thumbs this video up even though I didn't do anything yet. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down below so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. This side, that side, one of those sides. And today I'm going to be reviewing the Style Factor Edge Booster. This is the apple scent. But I saw it on Instagram. It looked cute, so I looked up some different reviews about it, and they say that it's supposed to help with 4C edges. We'll see about it. It smells really good though. And also, this is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money. I'm doing this myself. So let's get to it. I haven't used Eco in a while, but I'm gonna go ahead and slick my top poof back. Get the poof going first. As you can see, I have like no edges. I have like a receding hairline here. Alright, let me just get the band around my neck first. Okay, get the scarf off, and it's pretty late. So that's the latest it's gonna get, to be honest. Alright, so normally when I do my edges, I wet it a little bit, but I want to see how this works without any assistance, you know. Alright, so I'm just gonna take a little bit on my finger. Take your handy toothbrush and swoop it. Why do I always have this problem when I do my edges? Swoop correctly. Swoop correctly. Act right. Jeez. See, and now they're already starting to like come up. I don't know if it's because I didn't use enough or what. Y'all, everybody that did a review of this Edge Booster Edge Control and claimed to have 4C hair, y'all some liars. Y'all are some liars because y'all know good and damn well. Y'all know good and well. Dude, this joint is not nothing special. It's just like any other edge control that can't handle it. It's not strong enough. It's weak. Why do I have to go over my edges twice? Like, who got time for this? I gotta get up like a whole extra 30 minutes early just to lay some edges down. I gotta do my edges the night before. They're like, is that what you're telling me? I don't think I'm with it. I don't think I am. Do I need more? No, I'm gonna leave that alone. Leave that alone. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and take my bandana and lay these real quick. I'm gonna do my makeup and then I'm gonna show y'all the final for right now, and then I'll probably check back in. Hopefully I remember to check back in a little bit later in the day so y'all can see how it's holding up, which it probably won't. I mean, right now they look cute. They look alright. This isn't low enough. Come down some more. Whatever. Okay. Yeah, whatever. I don't have time. I have things to do today. Alright, we'll see how this looks when I come back. Alright, y'all, so my makeup is done. Sorry if the camera's a little bit crooked, I can't really tell. But this is what my edges are looking like so far. So this is what they look like fresh. They are relatively flat. I don't think I put extra gel on this one, so this one's kind of coming up a little bit. But yeah. So I'll probably check in with you guys a little bit later to see if it's still okay. Alright, hey guys, I am back with the update. It is currently 12:20 a.m. As you guys can see, if I can angle it up pretty good, this is what my edges are looking like right now. And that's after 10 to 11 hours of having it on and falling asleep. I did end up falling asleep and getting my head thrown into a pillow. So that's why this side right here, I think, yeah, here is kind of coming up a little bit. But other than that, yeah, I think it's all right. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think about this edge control down below. Don't forget to thumbs this video up if you haven't already. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button right down below so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. All that's going to be on the next screen and down below in the description for you. And don't forget to shop Slay Baddie here. I might have a sale for Black Friday. I haven't decided yet, but make sure you guys keep an eye out for that. And once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.